Mustafa, when I upload my project, I need some other language in order to test it. So I think Turkey would be the best for you, and Hindi or English is good for me. So can we sit sometime by tomorrow morning or before the judging period, so that we can have test the system?
Yeah, sure. We can test it together.
Yeah. Thanks. Hugo is also from Turkey. I was asking that Hugo is already from Turkey or he is belonging to some other place.
Ah, you asking me? No, I'm from Mexico, actually. Where are you
You are
from?
from Mexico.
Yeah.
I am from India.
Ah, cool. I've been there. Very cool place.
Uh, when you were in India?
Ooh, like I don't know, 5, 6 years ago, I went to Bombay to have a. We did an event there. Very cool.
Okay.
Yeah, it
My
was cool.
hometown is in Nalanda,
Awesome.
in Bihar. Nalanda University. You might heard the name.
I think I remember there was a Bahia Mint brother. I think. I think. Not sure. All right, we started seeing some people. Hello,
Yeah.
everybody. Welcome. We'll begin very soon. Let's just the people wake up. Or-
Why I am not able to turn on my camera? Is it logged?
Uh, no.
I'm not able to turn on. Okay, no problem.
Anyway, guys, we will begin very, very soon. Let's just have a few minutes just for everybody else to join us. Um, Jay, I see that you are asking questions on the general channel about the Ant Media account and license key. Uh, they will be replying to you directly. I think you are in the JS assistant team, right?
Yeah.
All right. So Mustafa is right there. He just replied to you on the chat. He will be with you. I mean, if you can ask that same question directly there. So yeah, but I will explain soon how it's going to be working with mentors and so on. But let's just have a couple more extra minutes for people to join us.
Hugo, by the way, I have small request for you. Can you announce the second mini challenge instead of me, because I will do the
Sure,
opening.
absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, I think we can begin. If more people join late is great. Just FYI, keep in mind that there's people from all over the world, as I can tell for the time zones. Most of the people from India, it's good for them because the time is in the evening, I assume. But for the people from North America, it's very late, somewhere around midnight to 2, 3 a.m. So they will be joining in time. So let's just start. Welcome everybody. This is the real-time, very cool background, Jay. Real-time streaming hackathon. Welcome. We have been preparing this event for a better part of a month and a bit, a month and a half, and has been a lot of fun, especially for us. I'm Hugo from Creative District. I am coordinating these kind of events, hackathons, for a long time. Mostly we're doing face to face, but as you clearly know, for the past 2 years, things have changed a little bit. We now do a lot of hackathons online, and we will explain to you how these kind of events work. So you have seen now that we've been preparing for you a lot of material. There is the ideas that you have been created. You can see the teams. You have been forming teams. Then you can, of course, edit your team. You can add or remove things and so on. As everything is going to happen on the platform, and I will explain you soon how that is. Um, this event is all about you creating a real-time streaming app. But for that, I will let me just share with you my screen first, just to start. And the cool part about this is both sides of this hackathon. One is that you create a real-time streaming platform, and the other one is that there is a 10,000 prize pool in prizes, of course, right? So it's good. It's not bad. So you guys are in the challenge for 2 days until tomorrow to prepare for this. I will give you more about all of the milestones and all of the things that we'll be preparing for you later in time. But for now, I will give the word to my good friend Umut for him to introduce the end media side of things.
Thank you, Hugo. And guys, it is great to see you all, actually. I want to start by thanking all of you, all the participants and team, and of course, Creative District team. Honestly, we have worked a lot for this weekend, and it is my time to enjoy, just like you will. We have this goal, being the streaming engine of the world. We want to do that by creating values for everybody in the world. Also, we know that we can achieve this goal by the help of you guys. Actually, that is why we are here. All of us are trying to create a value on top of Ant Media server. Therefore, there is no harm to say that we are actually a big team. And also, we want to build a win-win environment with all of our community, our developer ecosystem. For example, we have been working on a marketplace which can be useful for all of us. This marketplace will be the most popular address for all the streamers because all streaming-related applications can take place on it. Therefore, if you don't win this hackathon, no worries, because all of your work can be promoted on our future marketplace and you will have the opportunity to sell them. On behalf of the Ant team, I wish all the participants, teams and solo participants, good luck. We will make the world great again by doing our part on the streaming sites. We actually all will create values for people, for the world, and you guys in the future, you will have the opportunity to say, once I had participated the hackathon that was organized by the streaming engine of the world, which is Ant Media. Thanks for contributing us in our journey of doing it. So shall we start, Hugo?
Yeah, thank you very much, Umut. And yeah, I'm also very excited. We've been in touch. If somebody knows how to run this hackathon, it was you, Umut. Thanks a lot for your help. Has been pretty cool working with you. So let's get cracking, guys. Let's move forward. As you already know, we have discussed this quite a bit. This is all about creating a real-time streaming application using the Ant Media server. You have already received the starter kit, but if anybody just is missing or doesn't know what's going on the platform, on top of it, you can see four tabs. One is the home, another one is ideas, another one is community support, and another one is starter kit. In the starter kit section, you may download it, and you have all of the information on how to work on this hackathon. So remember that you need to send us a Word file. And if it's a mobile application, you will need to send us an APK for Android, APA file for iOS. And I will now explain to you how the milestones will be working soon, of course. But regarding the final presentation, how is it going to be working? How is it going to be the selection? So all of you guys will have time to work on this hackathon until midday tomorrow. There will be some open windows for you to upload your presentations. Today, as you can go to the home tab, on the right you have all of the times. Your first milestone is supposed to be delivered by 11 a.m. This morning, so you have few hours. Don't worry if you don't have time, but ideally you have time for till then. You can download already the milestone, and you can start working on it. It's just a written essay. The second milestone will be uploaded by 2 p.m. And this is a presentation, but again, don't worry about the time so much. The important thing is that the project submission should be delivered by midday tomorrow. And what is it? What should be in it? These are the things that you should be considering. What does the project do? The proof of concept. If it's web-based, you need to send us a Word file, or as I mentioned, the APK or the related iOS document, and it will be remain as your application. Now, these are the criteria that the judges will be using to analyze your ideas at the end of the day. So consider them, pay attention on them. So if it's ready to use, is it a proof concept? If it's creative or innovative, the more interactive it is, the better. If it's user-friendly, or if it's an open source. And there will be three winners, of course, but we'll see that soon. Like I mentioned, these are the milestones upload windows. The first one is starts at 11 a.m. The second one from 2 p.m. today, and the last one that is very, very important is at midday tomorrow. Then we will have the demo presentation and judging period. How does that work? So you upload your material by midday tomorrow. Then you will have some time to rest because of course, you worked the entire night. Great. After that, we will, by then you will have to upload all of the material and you're done. But then we will have at 3 p.m. of tomorrow, a science fair type of contest, which means that you will come at 3 p.m. You will have 3 minutes to showcase your idea. You can use your presentation. You can use directly the code. You can use however you see fit. But the best you see fit your ideas. And then the judges will have 2 minutes to ask you questions and answers, right? So in case you do not have enough time in these 3 minutes to present, the judges might forfeit their time and allow you to continue. But maybe the judges decide to ask you questions immediately. After all of the teams have presented, the judges will dismiss themselves for a bit, and then they will talk between themselves and select the 3 winners. We will meet back again after a bit in the same room, and they will introduce the third, second, and first place. So I assume by now all of you have your team formed. Many of you, or like right now, for example, some teams are not even here because probably it's very late for them or very early. It's okay, but we have a lot of teams working. In case you're still thinking of forming a team, just let me know. The ideas will remain open. Now I would like to give the words to the mentors. I think one of them is not here, so I will start with Burak. If you can just introduce yourself and tell people that you will be ready with the teams.
Hi guys, I am Burak. I am one of the members, one of the developers of Antmedia for five years, and I am very excited for this event and being a part of this event and the Antmedia community. Actually, I I I, I have never felt as I am the different than you in Antmedia community because always I learned lots of things from you guys. Thank you for your contribution to Antimedia. As my other friends, my main goal is to make the world better than now. And in this hackathon, I will be mentors of some teams, Real Caption, Eagle Eyes, AGR Hub, and Streamway. But I'm not limited with these teams. All of you can ask questions to us. I will be around here to help you if you have issues. So I hope success, all of you. Good luck.
Thank you, Burak. So, like he said, Streamway, Real Captions, Eagle Eyes, and AGR Hub, he's your mentor. And just make sure that they will have some calls and so on. But I will explain how the mentor will work when mentoring. Now, Mustafa, if you can introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Mustafa Bolekan. I am working as a software developer at Ant Media Server for 4 months. I am really excited to see your projects.
Awesome. Mustafa is the mentor of Pirates of Tripoli, Represent, as AS assistant, and Medicant. So just remember, he is your mentor, but yeah, I'll explain soon how would that work. Now, Selim, can you introduce yourself? Thank you. Selim is the mentor for Cyberworld, Ergo.ai, and Wavering Dig. And I think August is not here with us at the moment, but
Actually, yeah, he's here.
fantastic. So, sorry, August, I didn't see you there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Hugo, Umut, mentors, and the all guys that I see, Jai, Samurai, Akash, Exal, to be in here. So I'm software and business developer in Ant Media. I'm happy to help you during this process. And the goal behind this process, behind this hackathon, is to create a win-win collaboration together, to just let free your creativity and create some things interesting on top of Ant Media and provide a win-win both in financial way and emotional way. So this is our goal, and we maybe you don't probably you don't know the story of the Ant Media. It was just a couple of guys at start, and right now this product is being used more than 130 countries. And I think with you, we are just going to move one step further, and we will continue our journey to make the Ant Media server be the streaming engine of the world in a win-win collaboration, contributing to the world, helping guys, so that we just would like to be something that helps people in emotional way and in financial way. So it is not very easy to explain my thoughts because I'm not a native speaker. Anyway, so I hope I can give my ideas and feelings to you. I wish a good luck for every guys, and don't worry, there is no winner or loser in this hackathon. Everyone is winner from my point of view. Thank you for joining this journey with us, and I hope we will continue our journey together with you until we go to the streaming engine of the world. Thank you.
Thank you, August. So great. And August says the mentor for Colony, On Fire, Nova 4, and Saviors of Pulse. So that being said, some of you guys are excited for this as well. This is the prize pool, and it's pretty good actually, as you can see. Like I mentioned, you're going to be presenting for 3 minutes to a panel of judges, and then the judges will disappear for a bit and come back and select the third, second, and first place. This is what stands at the end of the day. The second place will get 2,000 US dollars. The third place, the second place is 3,000, and the first place is 5,000. Now, that is depending on where you're located. Some countries do not accept cash prizes. Some others do. When you do, fantastic. You will get it directly as it is. If not, we will have to review these items assistance, but we'll try to do our best to fix everything as per your liking. Now, how will you be contacting your mentor? It's very straightforward. As you know, you have on the Ventornado platform, you have created your idea and you have added your team members. On the right side, you will see an icon of the participants of this on the event chat. You're gonna see on top like 3 or 4 icons. So I think it's just better if I just show you. So here on this side, if for example I see the team Medicant, you here on the right side you have the members, and you can see that some of these people have been added to you. In this case, you have Mustafa as your mentor. So Mustafa is already answering here. He will schedule a call with you, and he will try to, of course, to help you as much as possible with your ideas and try to align you with there. Feel free to ask him any other questions during the whole time of the event, and then later he will try to schedule a second call to see how things are. In case they don't reply immediately, just remember it takes some time for them to answer. But my trick that helps to get a quick answer is if you tag at Mustafa, and he will receive an email directly. I know because I've been spamming all of you with the tags, and I'm so sorry for that. But is the way to connect with you. So this is the way. Now, just consider that Mustafa and August and Burak and Salim are busy with other teams. Also, other teams right now are not here because it's late in other places and so on. So please consider these things. They are probably having other conversations with other people. And this is how things, how you can connect with your mentors. Now, the mentors are there, and they might have some issues trying to answer, but they also have their own team side. They will also be communicating with themselves. If they have issues, they will solve it as soon as possible. Where and when will you be able to upload the material? The where is in your Teams on your idea section. You can see up there. At the moment, you can already add text of your idea, like how do you form your team and so on. But later, at that time that we decided at 11 and at 2 p.m., this uploading section will be open right there inside there. No worries. Anyway, I will be pinging you. I will letting you know, hey guys, the window is open now. Please make sure to upload your material. So no, don't worry. You can always ask me and tag me on the channel or send me a private message. Now, the mini challenge, guys. We have already launched it a bit ago, but not a lot of you have been posting it. It's a great opportunity to get a very quick gift. So we will be opening for a few more hours. So how does it work? Just using the hashtag AntMediaHack, which if somebody can help me out writing it on the chat will be pretty cool. Use it and post it on Twitter. Just post a photo related to our event. Be creative. Just do however you might see fit. I will show you how does that work. So if you go to Twitter and then you just tweet anything but using the hashtag.
Hugo, let us see your other screen.
Exactly, yeah. Sorry about that. So if you see here and media hack. If it decides to finally work, I don't know how it's supposed to though. But here I will be able to see all of the photos that you post. But it's not. Here you go. For example, I see that Jay already posted something working with very low light. Jay is very bad for your eyesight. So I will recommend you to turn on the lights and work with some light. I think it's late over there, so it's okay. Here we
It is
have, you see,
creative, but
more lights, more lights. But here you got, and this is me. So guys, just post it, be creative, and this is I mean, just for being creative and taking a photo, I think it's a fantastic price. $50. I don't know. I think I'm gonna post more ideas. I don't know if I can win, but I mean, it's pretty cool. And then second place, Starbucks coffee and dessert. Even if I get the second place, I will be very happy. And the third place, Starbucks coffee. So guys, be creative, take a photo, take a selfie, post it, and I will let you know on the general channel when is it going to be closed and when and who the winners are. If you have any questions, feel free to tag me directly on the chat or send me an email. I'm sorry again, I've been spamming you quite a bit, but this is the way to get in touch with you. Last but not least, good luck. Talk to your mentors. Ask all of the questions that you have. The mentors are experts. You don't have access to the experts every day. So please use everything that is at your disposal. You will have time for from here to meet day tomorrow. We will be here and we will have other surprises for you during this time. And that's it. If you have any questions, maybe just time for you to raise your hand first, and I'll let you speak. If not, just I'll just wait a couple of 1 minute to see if you guys have any questions. It seems that you are all ready to go. I know for all of the guys, I see some people that I already have been discussing. So I think there are some guys from Hungary. I see some guys from India, and I know that the time is pretty good. I think it's somebody from South Africa as well. Awesome. So guys, no questions. Qatar. All right. We will be hearing a lot about you in the next month, actually. Wishing you all the best for the World Cup as well. Anyway, guys, good luck to all of you. I'll be seeing you around. Post for the mini challenge. and thank you for participating. Have fun and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Wish success.
Good luck, everybody. See you soon.
See you guys.
All the best to